What up, YouTube? It's Just Ice. This is day 2 of the Marvel Funko Pop Advent Calendar. So I talked to a few people, got a few pointers, and I'm going to be trying to make this video a little better. So I want to give a shout out to the homie Tony PSD. He made these shirts. Dubs all day. You can go to his website. He's selling stickers and comic inspired sports. Go ahead and check that out. It's dope. TonyPSD.bigcartel.com. I'll put it in the description. Okay, so day 1, I got a look. I thought it was Vision, but I think it's Iron Man. It's hard to tell, and it's gold. I'm not sure if they're all like that, so let's see if this day 2 is like that. All right, let's do this. All right. If you don't remember, this is how the outside of the box looked. Okay, it opens up and has comic panels on each side. And okay, let's do this. Day 2. Oh, dope. It's Captain America, and it's not gold. Okay, so the first one was a gold character. All right. Nice. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Nice. It kind of looks like the old school Captain America suit from the comics. Yeah. That's day 2. Nice. Thank you guys for watching. All right. Have a good one. See you tomorrow, day 3.